Hi guys, welcome to Summer's World Official. So today I'm going to be trying the viral chocolate strawberry hack. So stay tuned for the review at the end. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be going outside. I'm going to be putting some chocolate melt in this bowl, and then I'm going to let it sit for an hour or so, and then it's going to melt outside. You don't need any parent supervision for this. So I'm going to go melt these, and I'll see you back in a bit. So it's not really a hot day outside today, so I'm going to be putting it out near my pool. So because it's like really sunny over here, and here it's in the shade. And I'm not quite sure how long it's going to take because I have quite a lot in here. So I'm going to see how long it takes, and I'll see you back when it's melted. So I just had my lunch. So now I'm going to check on the chocolate to see if it's melted or not. It's nice and melted now. Okay, so I have my cup, I have some cut up strawberries, and I have my melted chocolate. So let's gonna start with a little drizzle. So let's grab a little bit of chocolate. Whoa. Okay. This is just, I've seen this everywhere on YouTube, and I've always wanted to try it. Okay, let's add another little drizzle again. And I'm gonna keep repeating the process until I run out of strawberries and chocolate. And this, I hope this is gonna be not too sickly. So now I'm doing the last top layer, and I'm gonna finish it off with a bit of chocolate. And this is how it's looking so far. Quite messy, but I'm going to do the review now on how it tastes. Yum. No way. So good. 10 out of 10, you guys need to try this. With the chocolate melts. And I hope you enjoyed this video today. And I'm gonna upload every Saturday of a new video. Bye!